Hey, welcome, my Scrappin friends. I have another project to share with you guys. Yay! It is called the Let's Wonder File Folder Album. And you can go to my website, scrappinitup.com with no G. Pick up the tutorial if you would like to learn how to make it. You do get the process videos, the written guide, and the cutting guide. All right. So I will also put the link down below for you too. Okay. So this album measures 8.5 by 9.5 and is filled with lots of flaps and pockets. Okay. And it is totally made out of file folders. And it resembles a backpack. And I didn't, create it that way, but it's the way that it finally ended up looking like. And I'm like, oh my gosh, backpack, how perfect. And we used one of my kits, the Let's Wonder kit. It had 3 different simple stories papers in it. And this really turned out really cute, really cute. So look at that. Beautiful. All right, over here we have a little pocket. Well, it's not a pocket. It's got a 1/2 inch. And it contains this little book on this side. So you open it up. So you have this and this. And I did teach how just to make this little book over on my Facebook page. And if you guys are interested in learning how to make just this little booklet, I would be more than happy to do a tutorial for you guys. So just let me know in the comments, okay? Because, yeah, I could teach you guys how to make this little booklet, too. It's just really quick, simple. It's made out of file folders. And then this flips open. Like that. Oh, this flips up, too. So then this little book just stays right in this little pocket right here. And now we have the main album. Okay? So you open it up. And see, it's probably going to be hard to keep on camera. Alright, so that opens up. I just love file folder albums. I love them. And I did use the Smeed file folders. I will put the link down below. It will be a link to Amazon. And yes, I would earn a small, like a cup of coffee or something. But I will put the link down below to the file folders. So then here you have a double pocket. So you have that one and that one. And then you have the pocket in front. So like that. And then that just closes. Then this opens up. Look at that, beautiful. These 3 collections that I used for this really turned out very cute. And then these open up. Excuse me. And then those flip up. And then we done just a little insertion place to where you could stick a couple of photo mats. Okay. And then these close. And then this flips. And then we have these that flip out. And then this flips open. And then again you have the double stacked pockets here. So you have one underneath and then you have one here. And then again this flips out. Oops, I flipped it too much. And this is really easy to make, guys. I mean, nothing real hard, okay? Nothing real hard. I mean, it's beautiful. So, if you want to go grab the tutorial, go grab the tutorial and make it. If you would like to learn how to make the little booklet that's in here, let me know in the comments. And if I get enough of you, I will teach you guys how to make this little booklet. All right, that's all I have for you guys. Give me thumbs up. hit the subscribe button, and that way you always get notified when I upload anything new. All right. As always, keep scrapping. Bye-bye.